Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set memory seats in your Buick Envision. First, get comfortable by adjusting your seat, side mirrors, and steering wheel to your ideal driving position. Make sure your vehicle is in park for safety. Once everything is perfectly set, you're ready to save this position. The memory buttons are typically found on the driver's door panel, clearly labeled for easy access. Now, let's save your first position. With your ideal settings locked in, press and hold the SET button. Keep holding it until you hear a distinct chime. Immediately after the first chime, press and hold the 1 button. Continue holding 1 until you hear a second chime. This confirms that your first personalized driving position has been successfully stored in the vehicle's memory. To save a second position, perhaps for another driver, simply adjust the seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to their preferred settings. Then, repeat the same process. Press and hold the SET button until you hear a chime, and immediately press and hold the 2 button until a second chime confirms it. To recall either position, just press the corresponding 1 or 2 button, and your Envision will adjust automatically. Your Buick Envision's memory seats can also be linked to specific key fobs, allowing your vehicle to automatically adjust to your settings when you unlock it. This adds an extra layer of convenience to your daily drive. For more detailed information or troubleshooting, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.